Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to copy a text from an image. Okay, I'm opening my file explorer on my Windows 11 laptop, and you can see here this is my file. Opening this, and here is my file with text. Okay, and we can simply do this OCR in Windows 11 without any internet connection. You can see here my laptop is not connected with any internet devices. You can see here already is turned off. There is no LAN connection. Okay, so how to do that? It is very simple. Simply press window key, shift key and S. Window shift S at the same time, then you will receive this pop-up. Then you can see option of OCR here, text from the image or text extractor. Click on that, then you will get a option for copying text. You can simply select the area by clicking the mouse left and select the area like this. Okay, and you can see here all text is extracted from that image. You can simply select text like this, or you can simply right click, then click on select all, then click copy. You can select all the text at the same time, or you can simply copy a single area. But what's the mistake is here, whenever we copy, then that will be disappear. Okay, you can see it. You cannot copy multiple lines, like copy one, copy second one. There is no options like that. You can only copy one time. You need to copy another time, you also press the window shift S, then also select the option, then select the area, then select one another copy. So that's the mistakes in OCR text format. But actually it is nice because without internet you can do all of these things. And we are copy that, and we can simply paste here. And there is no note application in Windows 11. There is only sticky notes. Click on that, and you can see here simply pasting here. So here is our text. So that's guys very simple tutorial. In this video you can learn how to extract a text from image. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.